These are the new A1 Platinum handlebars and the mount for the Android tablet and the hub. And the new junction box where we're plugging everything in is located underneath here. So left handle, right handle, and then if you follow the cables from each lot of lights and switches, they actually swap over. So the left-hand switches are plugged into the right-hand side of the junction box. So if you're a right-handed quilter and you use the right switches for your regular normal stitching, you'd probably want to choose your left-hand switches to control, or for your Intelliquilter to control. So this example is for right-handed quilters who want to use their left switches for Intelliquilter. So when we flip this over, we can see here is the junction box where we're plugging in your large communication cable for your A1 machine, and the round plug is related to your new LED lights, and then there is a telephone connector behind that, and that's actually the plug for your switches. So this is the right hand side when you're looking at the front, facing the front of the machine. So that is connected to your left hand switches. This is your Intelliquilter communication cable to your A1 Platinum machine, exactly the same as if you had the old LED lights. And all we do is we remove this telephone connector by releasing the if you can see there's the little tab that you have to push in before you can pull it out. Don't just pull the wires, you must release by pushing in that tab to pull it out. That wire from your left switches now gets plugged into the piggybacked adapter, making sure that you get the orientation correct. So the tab is on that side. So I'll plug that in there until it clicks. And then this cable goes back into that same hole that the original one came out of. So we are effectively piggybacking the whole setup, and that then goes into the back of your docking station as per normal. Now this little connector has a double-sided tape on it, and to get it in the right position you've got to make sure that you can still access those plugs as well as this portal here. So my suggestion would be is to manipulate it so that it's on the far side of that block, and you can stick it down there so you can still get into to release those tabs to get them out if you ever need to, and you have easy access for the other plug to get in there without bumping and stressing out this junction here. And that's all you need to do, and it will work, making sure that your left hand buttons, the blue and your yellow, are programmed correctly for a single stitch and manual mode on your A1 Platinum machine.